it starting? Oh, okay, guys. We're gonna go. This is the last one before we do our movie. We're gonna do a movie. We're going to the cicada yard. Yeah, that yard. Hello. No, you can't zoom in.
Pop, sing happy birthday to Pop.
Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Oh yeah, it's today's Pop birthday. If you don't know who Pops is, it's our savior. The man that lives in this house looks gonna turn like 96.
99, 69.
99, Sammy.
69.
Point at the cake.
Alright, you ready?
Weird cake.
Well, take a picture of this.
69. Can you
Pops,
see
I'll
that?
take a picture.
69.
No, let Pops do it. It's his birthday. You can do
You want? Well, he has to blow.
Turn the lights off.
Oh, turn lights off, Maddie.
We're gonna take video, Pops.
Alright, y'all ready? I don't know if he has enough room. Alright, happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Pops.
Or Mike.
Happy birthday to you. Blow out the candle. Yay!
Oh, man. Oh, my goodness. Alex.
Pops.
Turn off.
Go on. Change the videos. This is not cicada hunting. This is happy birthday to Pops.
What kind of ice cream do you No, baby.
You know that.
Scooper. Y'all must be so jealous right now. Stop.
Just give it everywhere.
Just Pop.
I
I want chocolate. I want chocolate. I want chocolate and vanilla.
I want to make mine.
I want chocolate and vanilla.
You can only do one at a time.
Anthony!
Okay.
Anthony!
Sam's gonna get her ice cream.
What you say, Mom?
Y'all want some cake? Cupcake?
Show him Pops. Show him Pops. This is Pops. Say hi, Pops. My cupcake.
Daddy. Hey, Daddy, what do you want?
I don't want it right now.
Guys, we're gonna end the video. We're gonna end the video until it's John Cena's on. End it.
John Cena.